Just in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with it, I will do it. To what we be and the shit we pull up the master on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever, but you nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you, you're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through, but it's a one with me and you. No.
Jose, wind down the car glass. Me already see you.
Hello, may I help you? Do I know you?
Jose, why you act like you don't know me? Peter, you don't remember me?
Which Peter that? I thought me not know no Peter.
You are talk about? Peter from country. You run away with me pop show and demand them things.
Ross, Peter, baby. You know me, I look for you every minute. Me call your phone and me not get no answer. It seems like I wrong number me didn't write down.
Really now? Why you send me go shop? Then take bus with me things them. Pepsi you use and cheat me bitch. I come a town to come fuck you up.
Babes, you know, say dirty bus driver drive off. And me tell the bus driver say my boyfriend gone in at the shop, he just run gone in at the shop and buy something. And because I one bossy man say I got a ton feed there, me say me I put me things them in there and wait for you. But me lucky man say a one seat in a bus. The man say a one seat in a bus and he drive off and say now wait to no. You know wait for nobody because I no want to stand in the bus got town. Me say I vex. Maybe I actually not even know me vex. If me vex, me cuss the driver go straight at town. Non-stop me cuss out a little dirty boy see. No, me can't believe say. I mean no you don't get things say me driver gone with your things them. Now you know me I would never do that to you, Peter. Oh God man, if you didn't ever hear how me cuss the driver got town.
No, it must be something like that. Me know you would never drive away with me things. So you sell half the things?
Me make a little something, yes. It not really much, but me try my best. Here is $100,000. Me could have make more, you know, but most I sit there rotten. Not some all the pop show them just rotten for me, and some of the cabbage them rotten, and the carrot and some of the yam they no good. So if they never spoil, well you never pick up all 500,000. But that is me make. Me not even take none for myself. Take all right.
Really? Oh God. Thanks, Susie. You are the real thing. You honestly true.
So, Peter, can I come back a country and get some more?
Oh yes. Me I gonna give you double of what me give you last time.
Alright, on me, I go come back up then at the middle of the week. I know, say, me never dey on my period, me give you some pussy in idea, yeah? Me I tell you, me glad say you come at town, come find me. Yeah, man!
Oh God, Susie. Me would have really do well with some right now, please.
Don't worry yourself. When we come back a country, it will be all yours. Day and night, your living night.
What the Ross, Susie there? Me I call back your phone and you switch it off.
Bingy, what you do over here? Jesus Christ.
How the fuck I go on here so? I know for your foot broke.
I'm not about my foot broke. I sprain. Susie gonna shop Bingy. She soon come back.
Yeah man, every second she gonna shop. Keisha, is Susie keeping her next month?
No, Bingy. Me no know Susie as that type of girl.
You know what? Make me left you so.
Hello, Bingy. What's up, man?
Can we meet up for a drink? You know, so me have a strong feeling my baby mother a fuck for me.
Oh, really? That's so sad. Can you give me a few hours? I am back with my girlfriend. She went on the street for a few minutes. We can both join you for a drink. She's a very jovial person. She can help cheer you up.
Alright, boss. Can't wait to meet her. Call me when you're ready.
Bingy, can we go to a different bar, please? Bubbles is kind of upset with me at the moment.
Yeah, man. No problem. What went down with you and Bubbles?
We can talk about it when we meet up.
Hey, Keisha, what's up? What go on, girl? Me say me there, me have fun, me enjoy me today. Them want
Susie, Jesus Christ. Bingy just come here and look for you. Him know you're not there.
Wait, you just say? Keisha, what you just say a while ago? Jesus Christ, what you just say?
Me kinda did turn off my phone.
What? What? Keisha, guess what? Later, me go deal with this later. This is not for your thing. Later me call you.
Susie, stop going so. Me never know him would have find me yard. I wonder who tell him where me live. Bingy a real investigator, you know.
Later, Keisha, me say later. Jesus Christ, blood clot, man. Girl, fuck up me plans, so man.
Look how me did I stress out myself and I listen to people. Seems like me really find the perfect girl. I wonder if Susie would take me come told fi live with her. Me I will get something nice for her.
Susie, where you there?
Bingy, what is your problem? Bingy, me and you are not the same thing. So when me say me I go do something, that me I go do. Keisha, me go help. So anything where you have in your head, because I saw your tan, because you know, say if you didn't go somewhere, I fuck you, I go fuck pa me, you know. So that's why you are turning around now, because you know, so you stay. Listen, me not fi fuck pa you, me not fi fuck pa you. I one man me keep, one man one time. You where you think say me I or?
One thing me I tell you, Susie, you say if I fuck you, I fuck pa me, you're not going to like what me I go do you.
Bingy, guess what? Me kinda busy now, so me will talk to you when me go home. Every time me left yard, the only thing can come in your mind say, I fuck me gon' fuck. It come like say me I walk with my pussy on my forehead. I want you, my youth. Come off of my phone, man, and stop stressing me out. Me soon come home.
Make sure the man where fuck you can protect you when me find out.
Alright, Mr. Bingy, since you think say me a fuck pan you need to look into yourself. Cause if me have me man in me yard and me have to go out, go get dick, it must mean say something wrong at home. So you need to check yourself and stop nag me. Stop nag me, Bingy. Me tired of it.
Susie, come off my phone. You know your face and bright. I wonder if me really a sex Susie good. You know me need to step up my game.
Yo, how old is Susie? I pray.
Wagwan killer. You know me have a little thing me want you take care of me, please. You can do it?
Yeah, man. Anything for you. You are my dupes. How you want me to know?
You know say when you would violate me, now me want you give him some boxing, violate me.
How the pussy really do?
You know say me just collect me $100,000 for me partner draw and me a walk downtown and the boy rob me and when me a hold on pa me bag, the boy box me in my face.
Fuck you, say Susie. Where me can find him?
Me I go send you a picture of him and me I go tell you when then right now I wait pan bus for going yard. So me want you go deal with it right now for me and take back my money.
Yo, boy, come here. You raw, Steve?
Boss man, what you a talk about? Me no teeth nothing. Jesus Christ. Why them people are deal with me so?
Oh, take box in your face, thief in pussy face, boy.
Yes, Wagwan killer. You deal with it?
Yo, Susie, I mash up the boy, you know. And I get back all of your money.